Hello and welcome back. Have you ever wondered how to use the object selection tool inside of Affinity Photo? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. Welcome back, my name is Ben. Today we're talking about the object selection tool here in Affinity Photo. And this is a really great tool for us to be able to have here in Affinity Photo because it will make selecting objects a lot easier. And it's a really good use of machine learning inside of a creative application because it's not trying to do the actual creative work for you, it's just making the work you do a little bit easier. And we've had this in Photoshop for quite a while now, so it's nice to have it inside of Affinity Photo. If you come over here on the left in your toolbar, you're going to go down until you see this owl. When you click on it, you're going to find out that you can't actually use it yet. So when you click on that, the assistant's going to pop up and it's going to say you need to enable the machine learning modules. So let's go ahead and click settings, and that's going to open up our settings here. If your little window has disappeared, you can also get there by going to Affinity Photo and going down to settings. It's right here. So we're in our settings and it automatically took us to this one on the left here, machine learning models, and now we can choose to install them. So first there's segmentation and then there's saliency. So let's go ahead and install those. I'm just going to click install, and it's going to download and do that. And it shows you the size. None of them are very big. There's just 290 megabytes, and then saliency is going to be 72 megabytes. So they're not going to take too long to download. Let's go ahead and install that. And you can see you also have an uninstall button if you need to get rid of it. Okay, so let's go ahead and click close, and let's see if we can use this now. It says that we will need to restart the application in order for this to work, so we're just going to click restart now. Okay, Affinity Photo has now restarted, so I'm going to go ahead and open my picture back up, and then we'll see if we can use it. Here's my photo. Let's go ahead and click the owl again. We are now allowed to use it, and we're just going to come down here, and we are going to select over our object. Now, it's giving us an idea of what it's going to select. You can see here it's coming along, and it's showing that in the green. So let's go ahead and let go, and it's going to go through, and it's going to do the selection. Let's see how it did. We really just need to get this guy here. So we're going to click on that. And so you can see you can go in, and if it feels like it's identified an area, you can choose to click on it to add to it here. So let's get this red piece right here. We've got that. All right, so not perfect, but pretty good. If we want to see what that looks like, we could always go ahead and mask this layer just by clicking the mask button, which looks like a square with a circle inside it. And you can see what we've got there. Pretty good. To deselect, I'll hit Command D on the keyboard, and that will deselect it. Very good. Now we want to see how it does with people. So let's see if we can open up one of these and bring in a person here. So we're here. We've got these kids. Let's go ahead and click on the little owl again. We're going to come in here, and you can see it got them there. Perfect. So if we wanted to cut them out, take them somewhere else, or if we wanted to just do adjustments on them, that is so much easier than coming through and doing that selection ourselves. Overall, doing a really good job here. So this is an exciting tool for us to be able to have in Affinity Photo too. It can really help us out quite a bit. Now, if you are interested in learning more about Affinity Photo, make sure you check out my courses down in the description of this video because I've got a number of courses there that can teach you more about Affinity Photo. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.